is Math Unmasked for Unit 7, Lesson 12. So we've been working on putting things on the coordinate grid, right? And so we know that when we have a situation, I'm not going to be able to write because I've got it frozen, okay? So I'm using the computer twice. When we are putting things on the coordinate grid, we have two numbers. We have an X number, and that stands for how far left or right we go on the horizontal axis. That's a better spot. And then we have a Y coordinate, which tells how far up or down. Okay, so sometimes our axes are labeled. So I'm going to pull you a little bit closer so you can see that this one is labeled time afternoon measured in hours, right? And then here our temperature, this y-axis is labeled in temperature. So if we've got this set, these really become ordered pairs, right? This becomes a 0, 5. I can go ahead and I can put a dot right on 0, 5. This one, and the way I know that I'm going over 0 and up 5 this is time and hours. So I'm going to the 0 on the time and hours. I'm going to the 5 on the temperature. So there would be a dot right there. This ordered pair is 1, 3. 1 in time after hours, so I go to 1 here, and then 3 on the temperature. So my dot would go right there. That would be my point, right? This ordered pair is 2 hours afternoon, 4 degrees temperature, so 2, 4. And I can continue using those as ordered pairs. So some things to think about when you're doing this. You want to make sure you know that label at the top of your rate table. Where does that label coincide here, right? If you are setting it up, you are going to want to make sure that your spacing is accurate, right? Do you need negative numbers or not? So you can see on this table, we have some negative numbers, so we might want to graph it on a negative table, okay? So you've got to give some thoughts to those things. On your homework tonight, you will be creating a rate table and graphing it. So the rate table is review, graphing is review. We're just combining those two things together. Good luck on your homework.